Okay, so it is Easter 2020 and Resurrection Day. It's the day Jesus, resurrected from the grave. I think a lot of people need to remember that. But anyway, I have two pieces of steel here. I've got what's left of that old file from my last project, and I got a piece of leaf spring that I cut down here, pretty thick. I think I'm gonna make a couple of drop point hunters out of these and see which one I like more. Straight. Okay, and here she is after 2 hours in a 400-degree oven. Okay, so I've done a bunch of grinding on this handle and this guard to kind of get it, you know, started to the shape that I want for the final product. I'm planning on putting these two little pieces of metal, one up here after some liner and one down near the pommel after some liner. And I need to let y'all in on a little secret about these pieces of metal. If you look at them closely, they're light colored on one side, kind of tan on the other. These are clippings from leftover roofing pieces from the metal roof that's on my house. And the reason that's significant is because the guy I'm making this knife for basically led that project as just a friend without any real compensation to help me get my roof done on my house about a year, 2 years ago now. So anyway, this is for you, buddy. This knife is very symbolic, and I appreciate your help. Okay, so I'm about ready for the final epoxy up. In order: blade, guard, construction paper liner, 6 pieces, thin little piece of roofing, 6 more pieces of construction paper, burly maple handle, more construction paper, another piece of metal roof, construction paper, stainless steel pommel. Okay, time to get busy. Well, that's the first time that's ever happened while I was peening before. Hope you can see the separation there. Well, I guess it's time to get some super glue. Tap it back in there. Okay, so after some linseed oil, a little bit of a polish on the guard and pommel, I think we're done. Okay, so this was a special knife build for a close personal friend of mine that helped me work on the roof of my house. It's all done, and I hope you like it, brother. I appreciate you. Alright, I'll check you guys later.